Libra. I hope you all are doing really good. My name is Falguni and I'm here to do your mid-monthly tarot reading for the month of September, and this will be from 15th of September till the 30th of September. I'm sorry I was away for a long time, and now I'll be regular with the readings, so won't keep you waiting like this. Sorry for that. And of course, this is a general reading, it will not resonate with everyone, so please check your placements before you watch the readings. Another thing is, the roles might get reversed, so take how it resonates with you. Okay, so let's begin with the readings and let's dive into Libra's love life. So what is your love situation like in the month of September? Let's see, Libra, what is your love situation like in the month of September? Universe, please tell me about Libra's love situation for the month of September, for the month of September, for the month of September. Libra's love situation for the month of September, Libra's love situation for the month of September, Libra's love situation for the month of September, Libra's love situation for the month of September. Let's see what is your love situation like for the month of September. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so something in your conditioning, that is something in your background, family background, or maybe some values that you have been brought up with is holding you back, or your person back in taking some sort of action towards you. Okay, and there is a lack of efforts because of this reason, I believe, and there will be a breakthrough in the situation, and also because of this has given rise to a lot of conflicts between you two. That is what I feel. Let's clarify the conditioning card here, Libra. What is the conditioning card talking about? Let's see what is the conditioning card talking about. Let's see what is the conditioning card talking about. Let's see. Okay, all right. So conditioning card is talking about, see, I told you, though this love might be divinely guided and you feel that there is a lot of love in the situation, but a family member, might be a female member in the family, your mom or their mom possibly, is not wanting this connection to happen. There is something that is hindering you from your family side. Okay, so that is what is hindering you both and stopping you both from coming together. There is a interference from the family that is holding back. So it is in your capacity or in that person's capacity to take action towards you. It's possible that you both can unite, you both can build a relationship strong enough to carry it forward and everything. But this third party influence, that is basically, I can feel it's from the family end of things, is putting everything on halt. So what is stopping? Again, why is the totality card here? Let's see, why is the totality card here, Libra? Let's see, why is the totality card here for you? Let's see, why is the totality card here for you? Okay, so the totality card here is talking about efforts that were lacking. Again, you can see there is a lot of love in this dynamic, very emotional connection, a lot of emotional exchange, made for each other kind of connection. But again, there is a lot of interference, external influence that is stopping you both from coming together. There is external influence, that is, there might be more than one people involved in the situation, and your family interference can also be there from either of the person's side. Okay, but you both are also stalking each other. Even if you are not talking to each other at the moment, you have that stalking energy. So what is the breakthrough that that will come to you in this situation? Let's see what is the breakthrough here. Let's see, Libra, what is the breakthrough here that will come to you in this situation? Universe, please tell me. Universe, please tell me. Universe, please tell me. Okay, so the breakthrough here will be, Okay, so I feel that there are many suitors that are coming towards you or towards that person. There are many people involved in the situation. You also have a choice in love, either you or your person. There is a lot of external influence, third party influence, family interference, many things can be there in the dynamic. Take it how it resonates with you. So there are three three people I can see that are coming towards you and offering love towards you. One person is kind of immature, a little not that emotionally mature enough, but they still have that little emotions. Then another person is a little more mature than the other one. And then one person is there who is hugely attractive, okay, very attractive person, very beautiful person, has a lot to give and is established in his own field, and you find that person very very attractive. I mean, they are all rounded person, that is, they have a huge set of qualities that set them apart. Okay, okay, so they are a win-win situation for you. So you might even want to go with this person, but you have a lot of competition, a lot of conflict. So you have it or your person has it, and that's why there is not enough efforts that is being put into this situation at this point in time. Okay, there is a lack of commitment, I feel, which is not happening because of it. And the breakthrough is you'll have to make a choice, or your person will have to make a choice in the situation, that which person they want to go with and get this partnership through with. Though you both have a lot to give in this connection, it's an equal give and take, you share emotions with each other, you are divinely protected as well, but at the end of the day it's your free will whether to go with this person or not. There is a lot of love in this situation, I feel. Whomsoever you are dealing with, you have a lot of love for this person, and the other person has it for you as well. Let me clear that. Okay. So but in order to move the situation forward, you need to make a choice. You cannot be juggling between multiple options. Okay, that is not the way to go about. Cut, cut, cut. Okay, now let's see what is in store for you in your career, Libra. What is in store for you in your career, Libra? Let's see what is in store for you in your career, Libra. What is in store for you in your career? What is in store for you in your career, Libra? What is in store for you in your career? Okay. What is in store for you in your career, Libra? Universe, please tell me what is in store for Libra in their career. Okay. Alright. So you have certain delays that are happening in your career at this point of time because of certain set of rules that you fixated yourself with, and you're suppressing your abilities, your talents. You are not going about with it. You know your skills, your skill set, you are aware of it. You are you know that where your passion lies, but you are yourself making you are yourself keeping yourself stuck. I hope you know what I'm trying to say. So, and you are also bounded by certain societal norms, rules. You feel that this is the right way, or you are keeping yourself stuck because of certain foundations that others might have created for you in your surroundings. And I feel like you should be a little more flexible, because you can come out of this energy where you are delaying things and where you are suppressing your abilities and all that. You can come out of this, and you can come out of this outsider kind of feel to it. Okay, let me see what the delays are here for. Let's clarify the delays here, Libra. What are delays here about? What are the 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 delays here about? Okay. 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 So the delays are because you are ignoring the opportunities. You have the opportunities in front of you, like I told you. You are keeping yourself stuck because you feel that this is not morally correct, or the society will not accept me because if I go for this passion of mine. No, you're doing it wrong. You are rejecting the opportunities and you're not taking a leap of faith towards it. Instead, you are trying to walk away from it, which is not the correct thing to do. If you take a leap of faith towards this, believe me, you will come out with flying colors, because this is what your heart lies in. See, this has a long term potential, so you need to go with this. Okay, and let's see what is the morality card here for. What's the morality card here for? What is 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 the morality card here for? So certain dynamics, okay, in the past what happened is, you tried to stick to certain rules and principles of the society and everything, and there is morality in the sense you felt that this was the right thing to do, but instead you are feeling a lot of hurt inside. Okay, though you felt that this is the right thing to do as per the society, they will appreciate me, they will consider me right, and you feel that society will accept it, they will appreciate you if you go for certain field. You're just forcing yourself for that. Do not force yourself for a certain kind of situation or career which is not meant for you. You need to walk away from such a thing. You need to move forward towards a direction which gives you a sense of fulfillment, which really calls out to you. You need not suppress. What is the suppression here for? Let's see what is the suppression here for, Libra. What is the suppression here about? 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 Let's see. Okay, I told you just now, you need to move away, means drive away through this. This is the correct path, whichever you are suppressing inside you. Right now, you are suppressing, you are feeling backstabbed, you are, feeling a lot of hurt, disappointment, pain, because people are not accepting that. You're in a resting mode, you don't know what to do, how to go about it, therefore the delays are there, and this is causing a lot of pain within you, stress within you. Do not be in this energy. I won't suggest you to be in this energy. Again, the long term potential is there with whatever you're trying to do, so go about it. I would say take a leap of faith and it will be very beneficial for you. Okay, all right. So that was what you have for your career. Now we'll check your overall guidance in the situation. So what is the overall guidance for Libra for the month of September? What is the overall guidance for Libra for the month of September? Universe will tell me what is the overall guidance for Libra for the month of September. Overall guidance for Libra for the month of September. Overall guidance for Libra for the month of September. Overall guidance. Yeah. Again, you need not suppress. Again, I've told you just now, don't suppress yourself. Neither your feelings, neither your emotions, nothing. If you feel emotions towards someone, express it, go about with it. If you feel that a certain path is good for you, go for it. Do not be stuck with societal patterns. Put your all, put your efforts. It will be a successful venture for you. So that's about it. And Libra, I will see you soon in your next reading. Till then, thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Namaste.